Hello folks, welcome back to the studio. With me today is a jacket from the British brand Merlin. This is the Merlin Drifter motorcycle jacket. It's part of their Explorer collection, and as that name might suggest, it is for people with an adventurous side. If you want to go and take this on a tour or take it off-road, of course you could do so and you'd be very comfortable in it. You could also use it as your daily commuter though, and it will work just as well for that purpose. Now, I was lucky enough to get to put this jacket through its paces. We were invited by Royal Enfield to ride their Scram 411 for the day, and I got to wear this as my jacket of choice. And I think, honestly, based on that day, this might be one of my new favorite jackets here. I will explain some of the more subjective aspects of this jacket and some of my favorite parts of it in a few moments, but let me start with its specification. To start with then, this jacket is available in either green or black. It comes in at £299.99 and it has a CE safety rating of level A, and it's also UKCA approved. Another really nice aspect of this jacket is that it's made using sustainable practices when it comes to the manufacturing of this jacket, and that marks a change for Merlin and the industry as a whole. Actually, there are regulations coming in that motorcycle clothing will need to be more sustainably manufactured. And it's nice that they are a little bit ahead of the curve where this jacket is concerned. It's also nice that despite the fact that this is an eco-friendly motorcycle jacket, it still looks really nice and it's still got a really nice finish. The outer material is a 100% organic Halley Stevenson ripstop cotton. It is a tough material. Obviously it looks really plush from the outside. They have given it a bit of a weathering to it, and it's also somewhat water repellent. So that adds to the waterproofing, which I will get onto in a few moments. In fact, let me mention that now. They use a Texland Humax waterproof membrane on the inside. It is waterproof, it is breathable. It's great that this jacket has that added versatility. Now, it's not removable. It is a fully waterproof jacket without a removable liner. Sometimes that will make them a little bit warmer or less breathable. If you are concerned with that though, they have got loads and loads of vents on this, so you can allow a lot of airflow in and out the other side using the exhaust vents. It's also highly armored. You have level 1 armor included in your elbows, your shoulders and your back, all for the price of £299.99, which is quite impressive. You can also add additional chest armor if you're so inclined. You've got pockets on the front as well. Lastly, of course, you will notice lots of storage across this jacket. Merlin don't tend to skimp when it comes to storage. So you've got 2 big pockets on the front there at your chest, 2 around your waist, and you've actually got 3 on the inside if you need. So if we get on to my personal experience of using this jacket for the day, let me start by saying, in all honesty, I don't think I could choose a negative for it. It was very comfortable and it was very practical. And to my eye at least, it looks really good. The first key point is that storage. I love the variety of options you've got. I had loads of stuff with me and I definitely benefited from the amount of pockets you have here. The other thing I really liked is that on the pockets at your waist, you have hand pockets on the back of the storage. So you'll see these magnets there around your waist. You can get your hands in there really easily. Some other companies will do that with a zip closure, and that's a really big pain in the bum because you can feel that scrape across your hand. This is much more comfortable and much more usable. Secondly, let's talk about fit. And actually, if I was looking for a negative, maybe the fact that these size slightly on the large side. You'll find that with some of the rest of Merlin's range as well. All of the photos you'll see of me in the jacket, I'm wearing a small. Normally I will wear a medium. I'm a 38-inch chest and I'm 5'10". So they definitely size on the larger side. But when you find the right size, it's very comfortable on. It's actually quite tailored. You've also got a variety of different Velcro straps across it to make it even more tailored. So if you need to cinch that in around your wrist or your bicep, you can do that. And then probably my favorite aspect of this jacket is the climate control. The versatility when it comes to the conditions you can actually wear it in. As I mentioned, it is fully waterproof, it is highly vented, and it's very comfortable on. It's one of those rare days where you feel like you've actually got your clothing spot on. Riding there, it was a little bit colder in the morning, and I wore just a t-shirt underneath this, and I was perfectly comfortable. It does a great job of keeping that wind chill off you. And then as you'll see from the photos, we were very lucky with our day. It got much warmer later, and I was still just as comfortable in this jacket. Obviously, you have those vents to open up and get that airflow through, but even without that, it's a relatively light material, so it doesn't feel stifling or hot at all. All that remains is for me to say check these out using the links in the description if you want to. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below, and for more of the world's finest riding gear, stay tuned to Urban Rider. See you soon.